Hey, Roy. Hey, Gina. For the band of murder and the tango. Y'all want to know I'm Bird Dog Sally's brother. But I'm Chad Dog. Anyway, I'm going to get her from the hospital. Too bad the little bear didn't rip her head off. Y'all don't tell her that. But I don't know how she did the competition. She's so ugly. She's so ugly. Y'all don't tell her that. Don't put this on TV. But anyway, I'm going to go get her from the hospital. God, she's ugly. But y'all have a good day. She'll be back in the competition, ladies. Y'all got to be some ugly ladies out there to go in this competition with her. Y'all have a good day.